Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make pork chili fry. This is a side dish and can even have it as an appetizer. To all the pork lovers, this is a very simple recipe and yet very delicious recipe. You can try this out. I've taken 500 grams of pork. So now in order to make pork chili fry, you have to choose the pork which has little bit of fat and cut the pork as shown. Cut in small dice. Guys, check this out. This is the size we need. So once you finish cutting, add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, add required amount of salt, mix well and leave it on the side for at least 20 minutes. I have taken 10 garlic clove, crush them and leave it on the side. Now this garlic you can even use chopped one, I prefer the crushed one. I have taken 3 medium size red onion. Onion give chili fry a good flavor, so I have taken 3. You have to slice them. Now once you finish cutting all the onion, let's start with the cooking process. In a vessel, add 1 tablespoon of oil in order to saute garlic. Saute the garlic for a while on a medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin and saute it for a while. Don't keep the flame too high, otherwise your cumin will get burned. Now add the marinated pork and mix. Now make the flame on high and keep stirring it on high flame. Add half a tablespoon of vinegar and saute it for a while. Keep the flame high. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now keep the flame on medium. As the pork is going to release its own water, cover it and cook it till the water dries up. Guys, check this out. Now the pork is already cooked and has a nice color. Now time to add the sliced onion and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. This gives you a better taste. Now add 1 sliced tomato, few sprigs of fresh coriander and 3 slit green chilies. Now the chili gives you the spiciness. Now as per your taste, if you want more spicy you can add more chilies. Now add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup and mix well. Guys, check this out. As our chili fry is ready now, turn off the flame and this is ready to be served. This is how you make chili fry. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do give it a try and give the feedback in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and God bless you all. Thank you very much.